Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2App, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix an iPhone speaker that's not working. First of all, increase the volume using the side button and make sure silent mode is turned off. Now next, open the control center and confirm that the volume slider is turned up. Now check your Bluetooth settings because audio may be connected to AirPods, headphones or another speaker. Now you can try playing music or a YouTube video to test the speaker. If the sound is still missing, restart your iPhone. You should also inspect the speaker area for dust or debris that may be blocking sound. If none of these fixes work, update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. And that's it. Your iPhone speaker should now work normally again. And if this video helped you, follow us for more tips and tutorials.